Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Oops. Hi, folks. Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
And I'm Julie, Brad's wife.
I'm exactly one half of the Bob and Brad Physical Therapy channel, and Bob is here. Don't worry.
I'm in the corner.
Yeah, we've got
They
him
won't let
off to
me
the
out.
side. Julie and I are going to do some nice demonstration for some nice cardio work. Burn some calories, work on your balance for people 50 and over. Now, both Julie and I qualify for 50 and older, but I'm not going to say our ages. However, I am going to say if you add our ages up, we equal 119 years old.
Wow.
So you just do your math with your pencil and paper.
Use your imagination.
Yeah, put something in the comment section. Guess the ages of each, but be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's going to be no real equipment needed for this.
Brad, do you want to show the giveaway?
Oh, absolutely,
I think it's
Bob. What
over
are we going to
here.
give away? Oh. Oh, yeah. We are getting a nice giveaway. We have an eye massager, and I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. It actually does some massage. It does some compression. It does heat, and it's got a little music
It
in there.
massages your eyes, and it'll work really well with dry eyes.
I was very skeptical about this until I tried it, and I like it. We don't promote something unless we really sincerely
Right.
like it. So, yeah, put that, look
All right,
below for the...
Go to the giveaway section and sign up for the giveaway.
There you go. All right. So are we ready? This
Ready.
should take 5 minutes. It's only 3 exercises, and we repeat them 3 sets, and it'll give you about 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm just going to go through them quickly. Is that okay, Julie?
Sounds great.
Yeah. We practiced this last night and this morning to make sure we synchronize. So our first thing is marching. Okay, the next thing is mountain climbers. Now, depending on how comfortable you are with getting down to the floor, if that's not in your scheme of doing things, you can go to a solid chair or a cupboard. We don't have a cupboard here. A solid cupboard. and
Countertop.
Countertop, yep. And go like this. And the speed is up to you. We're going to have some modifications for advanced people our age. Julie and I will show that where you bring some hip abduction into it, makes the core and hips work more. So just kind of go with the flow. You'll see how it goes. It should work out well. And then we got some squats, and we have a few varieties of squats.
Variations.
Yeah. If you're not comfortable with squats and you think you may fall, get a chair behind you, a nice solid firm chair, and squat to the chair so if you lose your balance, you're safe. Okay, we want to make sure we accommodate everyone. Are you ready, Julie?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oh,
I'll time.
Bob's going to time.
Yep.
Okay, starting out with
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so
All
just
right.
breathe. Julie, I want you to chime in anytime because
You're
she's...
in the Army now.
Yeah, she's better at doing this type of workout than I am, that's for sure.
All right. It's a good warm-up exercise, and it starts getting the muscles working.
That's right. Uh-oh, my shoes untied. Keep going, dear. I forgot the double knot. Make sure you double knot your shoes.
5 seconds left.
Oh. This
And change over.
mountain
Next one.
climbers. All
Hey.
right.
All right.
So I'm going to do them here.
This is hard work.
We'll start out slow if you
These
haven't
are
done
hard
them.
work. Yeah.
How you doing, dear?
Great.
Having fun?
She's working harder than you are.
Yeah, well, of course she is. She has the ability, Bob.
Yeah.
I do want to mention, from a therapy point of view, range of motion. Bring your knees up as high as you feel comfortable. Don't go too
5
far.
seconds.
Bob, you just chime in if we're doing something.
That's it.
Up. All right, the next one, we're going to do squats. So, again, if you need a chair behind you for safety, go ahead, and we're going to squat and down. Some people may want to have your hands here, depending on your leg strength. You doing okay, dear?
Yes.
We could speed it up. Don't worry. What are we at? About a minute and a half so far?
Right.
Good. Because by the time we get done, we'll be huffing and puffing a little bit. So take your time.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And marching again. All right. You can get a little more arm motion in there if you want. You have some modifications you did. You want to show people that want to do a little more activity, Julie?
Well, sometimes we just do like a volleyball tip.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot harder.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And back to mountain climbers. I like to actually, when I do these, I hurt my wrists. I don't have the range of motion. So I put either dumbbells and I grab here, and that really makes my wrist feel much better. I can focus on the technique more. Whew. And look at Julie.
I think mountain climbers are the hardest one.
Yeah, especially if you do this out to the side
Like
one.
the Spider-Man.
Oh, that's a Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think I lost time.
I can't keep up to her.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's about 30 seconds.
Squats. All right, down. You know, we did these yesterday, and I was really trying to show off to Julie.
Yeah.
My quads are so sore today.
Good posture. You want to have the back nice and straight.
Yeah.
All
Thank
the
you.
power comes from the hips.
I'll demonstrate with her.
The Booyah
Keep going,
stick.
dear.
Okay.
So I'm not rounded out. I keep my back straight with the stick. Oh, yes.
3, 2,
Thank you, Bob.
1. Yeah.
All right. Now we're back to the marching.
Oh, yeah. 3 sets you're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Well, it should be 5 minutes. You didn't.
Oh,
People are timing us, I'm sure, out there. They're making sure. That's the last one. I'm going to
yeah.
do a little jogging.
I think you'll be fine, especially with your explanations. Took a little longer.
Yes, you're right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The mountain
Mountain
climbers, one more
climbers.
set.
Time. Okay.
Bob's gonna-
The final frontier.
If you got perfect push-ups like this, it really makes it easy on those wrists, even a little better than the weights, I think.
And then when Brad's heart stops, you can use it as paddles.
Yeah,
Start it up
yeah.
again.
You get ready for that, because oh, it's going well. I can't keep up to
5,
her.
4,
She is just going
3,
to town.
2, 1.
All right.
I don't think she's even broke a sweat.
I know it.
Oh yeah.
Final one, squats for 30
yeah.
seconds.
All right, so if you're getting tired,
Microphone's going off.
get the chair behind you. Mine is
No. Hers was falling off.
all falling off.
We're good. We're good.
So Julie does this kind of workout pretty regularly.
I
You
don't
can
think
tell she's hardly
I don't
tired.
think she's even breathing.
I know.
Sweating.
You can't see it. She's glowing. 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job,
All
guys.
right, 5
Well
minutes is
done.
already done.
Yeah, well
Nice
done.
job, dear. Oh.
All right, simple workout, but with 3 exercises, you need the full body.
Right. And
Yeah.
we're puffing, so I'm sure you should be able to work it. You can go to 10 minutes if you really want the extra overtime.
Yeah, add a little music.
Music?
Yeah, add a little music. And
Well,
it'll
you
be
want me
fun.
to sing?
definitely.
No.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Nobody wants you
All
to
right.
sing, Brad.
You usually listen to Irish music at home. So we
Irish.
can do a little
That's
jig.
right.
All
Celtic
right.
storm. Okay, be careful.